Exercise number 14.3, example number 1. The following frequency distributions gives the monthly consumptions of electricity of 68 consumer of locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay, આ સમ્સના અંદર આપણે મીડિયન, મીન અને મોડ ત્રણે ત્રણ વસ્તુ શોધવાની છે. જસ્ટ વી વિલ ટેક ધ રિવિઝન્સ ઓફ મીન એન્ડ મોડ. મીન અને મોડ નું રિવિઝન્સ આના અંદર આપણે થઈ જશે. ઓકે, તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ what will we do? First of all we will find the median. આપણે પહેલા આપણે મીડિયન શોધશું. તો મીડિયન શોધવા માટે આપણે શું કરશું? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ find the cumulative frequency. How you will find the cumulative frequency? First of you are given this one class, that is your normal frequency. From normal frequency we will find the cumulative frequency. 4, 5, 13, 20, like this way. 4 plus 5, 9, that is your cumulative frequency. 9 plus 13, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 14, 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 plus 4, 68, 68. Total number of frequency is 68. Got it? આપણે ગયા સમ્સના અંદર પણ આ રીતે cumulative frequency તમને શોધતા બતાવવાનું. Now from that find the n by 2. Cumulative frequency you have find n by 2, 68 upon 2, 34th. What is the corresponding class of 34th? 34th કયા ક્લાસમાં આવેલો છે? up to 22 it is here. For onwards it lies in 125 to 145 class. So what is the name of this class? આ ક્લાસને આપણે શું કહેશું? median. Median lies is in this way, 125 to 145. So median class is 125 to 145. That is your median class. Lower limit of median class 125. Cumulative frequency of preceding class of the median class. Median class na upparna class ni cumulative frequency 22. Frequency of median class 20. Class size of the median class, lower limit minus upper limit, 145 minus 125, that is 20. The difference of this one. Now તમને આ ફોર્મ્યુલા બરાબર યાદ રાખવી જોઈએ. હવે આ first of all write the formula. From that you will get this one idea. આના ઉપરથી તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા ઉપરથી ખબર બી પડી જાય કે આપણે આ શોધવાનું બાકી છે. તો at that time you can find it. L is equal to 125, n by 2 is equal to 34, cumulative frequency 22, frequency 20, h is equal to 20, 20 cancel, 125 plus 12 is equal to 137 unit is the value of your median. M is equal to. Okay, now we will find the mean. In median there is only one formula and one method is there. એટલે કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ નથી. મીન ના અંદર જો તમને કોઈ સ્પેસિફાઈડ મેથડ પૂછી હોય તો એ જ કરવાની. અધરવાઇઝ જે તમને સહેલી લાગે, whichever you use easier, adapt it. Here I will just take the steps deviations. In steps deviations, first of all you have to choose one. Assuming there is a 7 class, so I will find this one is that assuming તમને ખબર છે, તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ બી કરી છે. Let assuming is 135. you have એક્ઝામમાં બી તમારે એક કે બે તમારે બતાવી દેવાનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ. x1 minus a upon x 75 minus 135 upon 20 minus 60 upon 20 is equal to minus 3. Okay, you will get this one minus 3 -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ક્લાસ લેન્થ એક સરખી છે એટલે સિક્વન્સમાં આવશે. You know it. Now Fi Ui. Fi this one, Ui this one. 4 - 3 -12, 5 - 2 -10, 13 - 1 -13, 20 zeros are 0, 14 ones are 14, 8 twos are 16, 4 threes are 12. Sigma Fiui is equal to 7. Sigma Fiui. આ બધાનો પ્લસ આ બધાનો પ્લસ, find the difference, you will get the answer 7. Now write the formula for the steps derivation to find the mean. X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fiui upon n into h. So A is equal to what? 135. Fiui is equal to what? 7. N is equal to what? Total number of frequencies 68 multiplied by 20. 135 plus 140 upon 68. 135 plus 2.05. 137.05 units. Approximately both the values are same, 137 and 137.0. Approximately it is same. Now what you want to find? You want to find the mode. Mode શોધવા માટે આપણે પહેલા શું કરશું? What will we find? We have to find the model class. How we will find the model class? Find the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 20. So corresponding class of the 20 is 125 to 145. Model class is 125 in 145. એવું નથી કે model class ને median class એક જ આવે. It may be difference also according to the data. Now Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You know this terminology, all this terminology. So just I will put this one. F1 is equal to where? That is your F1, that is your F2, F0, that is your F2, and H is equal to here 20, L is equal to 125. Okay, 125. F1 is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 13. 20 into 2, 40 minus 13 minus 14 into H is equal to 20. 125 into 7 into 20 upon 40 minus 27, 13. 125 plus 140 upon 13 is equal to 125 plus 10.76, 135.76 units. So value of mode is equal to 135.76. You will observe that all this value, this one 137, 137.05, 135.76, just approximately same. Okay, I have taken one extra example. Convert the following cumulative frequency distribution of less than type into continuous frequency distributions. Sometimes in exam you are not given the normal class and frequency. आपने class and frequency नहीं आपेला है, but they will ask less than type or a more than type frequency. From that you have to find the continuous frequency distributions. આપણે સામાન્ય રીતે જે class ને frequency શોધીએ છીએ તે આપણે શોધવાનું. Here you are given less than 10 is equal to 10, 7, less than 20 is equal to 12, From that, we will get the idea. The class length of the class h is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 10. So, you can check it. All these length are 10. Second, suppose I will ask the question, find the student who got the less than 10. Then 7 students will be there. Then I will ask that, find the students who got less than 20. Then 5 more will be stand up and there will be total 12. So 10 to 20, how many students are there? 5. So what is the less than of here? Less than 0 is equal to how many frequency? 0. So I will start from here. 0 to 10 is equal to 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Now 10 to 20, what will we do? 10 to 20, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then 20 to 30, 20 to 30, how many students will be there? 24 minus 12. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Then how many students will be there? 30 to 40, 33 minus 24, 9. 40 to 50, 40 to 50. How many students are there? 52 minus 19. 52 minus 90 is 33 is equal to 90. And 50 to 60. How many students will be there? 50 to 60. 62 minus 52, 10. 60 to 70. 60 to 70. How many students will be there? 70 minus 70 minus 62. 70 minus 62 is equal to 8. Get it? Once again, કઈ નથી કરવાનું. આ minus 7, that is 0 to 10, 7 minus 0, 0. 10 to 20, 12 minus 7, 5. 20 to 30, 24 minus 12, 12. 33 minus 24, 9. 52 minus 33, 19. 62 minus 52, 10. 70 minus 62, 8. Thus you will get this one, continuous frequency distributions. આ શોધી અને પછી તમને જે કોઈ મેઇન મીડિયમ કે મોડ શોધવાનો હોય તે આપણે શોધવાનું. ઓકે, we will see such types of the more example in the next lecture. Okay.